Hello all, welcome to LTX classes. In this concept series, we are learning each a new beautiful topic every day in science and technology, and today we are going to select the regenerative braking system, and this is the most important application part that is actually coming in electric and hybrid vehicles. So let's focus on how this actually apply and what is this braking system and how electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles actually using the efficiency of regenerative braking system. Clear? Regenerative braking system, or simply it to be put as RBS system, regenerative braking system. Clear? Yes. So the whole article is dealt by this is Srinivas. Okay, let's focus on the article. See, yes, as I said, this is the most important application part in hybrid or electric vehicles, EVs. Clear? Electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles right now they are moving into the braking system that is called the regenerative braking system, RBS system, regenerative braking system. This RBS system actually captures the energy. We shall read, but first of all, see, the hybrid system is where the vehicle actually uses the electricity as fuel and the other normal petrol or diesel. Are you getting? The other normal petrol, diesel and the electricity that they are using. Clear? Yes. So hybrid and electric vehicles apply the battery technology, clear, and other aerodynamic engineerings to achieve the efficiency in driving. Why? The main motto of hybrid or EV is to increase the running distance. Clear? Increase the running distance of the vehicle. How the running distance of the vehicles has to be increased? See, the running distance is such a way that, see how long it is actually running to get the feet. Means, see, a normal electric vehicle, if it charges for 1 hour, if it is taking 100 kilometers of journey, see, if some other gets charged for 1 hour and it is taking 130 kilometers journey, everyone would actually prefer the second one, right? Why? See, when you are taking, increases the running distance through the application of various technologies like RBS, regenerative braking system. Clear? So aerodynamics and electric vehicles uses and applies the latest technology part. Clear? So then see, one of the great features to get this. Clear? See, to move a vehicle from 100 kilometers to 130 kilometers, it has to acquire the efficiency. Clear? It has to acquire the efficiency, and here the efficiency is very important. So one of the energy saving vehicles is the regenerative braking system. Regenerative braking system. The regenerative braking captures the energy that is otherwise lost during brakes. See, when you move on the vehicles, the regenerative braking vehicles actually tries to capture the movement force of the vehicle. Sir, what is that movement force? That movement force is nothing but the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy. Sir, can we capture this kinetic energy? Yes, the kinetic energy can be captured, and the same energy can be used to produce electricity. Clear? Are you getting? The same kinetic energy is used to produce the electricity. What is this movement force? Or sir, up till this time what we are doing? See, until this time we are actually converting this kinetic energy into a normal heat energy for any other vehicle. But right now, as we have to increase the longer distances that the vehicles needs to be traveled, as it is increasing, we are trying to convert each and everything into electricity, right? So the regenerative braking captures energy that is otherwise lost during braking, and see, we use the power to recharge that vehicle's battery. Clear? When you pedal off that vehicle, when you put the brakes on, the actual energy that is released from the car is stored, actually is stored as form of electricity, and then it can be used. So to get clear understanding of regenerative braking system, you should try to get the understanding of vehicles brake pedal. Clear? How regenerative braking works with any other conventional braking system. Clear? When you stop a vehicle's brake pedal, the discs and brake pads create friction, right? So how the vehicle stops? The vehicles needs to be stopped by putting off the movement of the wheels, right? So in the same way, the vehicle's wheels are stopped by using the friction brake pads. Clear? Brake pads. In turn, the friction creates kinetic energy that dissipates the heat into the environment. Means, see, a running wheel is there, that running wheel needs to be stopped. The wheel actually puts the brakes on the discs that is attached to the wheels, and the same, see, when you stop someone who are moving very fast, it creates lot of heat. That lot of heat actually released into the atmosphere. But right now, with regenerative braking system, what we are doing, the amount that captured, the energy that captured from this moving will actually be stored as the heat energy. Clear? Heat energy is generated, and that, see, that energy is converted into electricity. So through regenerative braking system, you can able to produce the kinetic energy, and from kinetic energy to electricity energy, and the same electricity can be stored and can be used in longer distances. Clear? So how it is working, I think you got some conditions, right? See, the way the vehicle moves, the way's acceleration, and when you stop the vehicle from acceleration, it creates energy. The same energy is actually used. Clear? Yes. So here the electricity recharges the battery, and right now the driver can view the regenerative effect on vehicles charging portals. Clear? So energy flowing from the wheels to the battery. What we get here, when you observe in clear mode, we can clearly see that the wheels that are moving actually producing electricity, and the wheels actually charging up the battery. Clear? The amount of electricity that system generates is proportional to the braking force. If you come with that stronger braking force, the greater the electric current. Clear? Yes, the greater the electric current. Ultimately, the amount of energy the system captures is dependent on vehicles speed and duration of brake application. Clear? Yes, means, I think you got this. To produce a greater effect on electric current, you need to put a stronger braking force. Otherwise, it goes into vain and it does not produces as much as energy as you require. Clear? Yes. When braking, the system automatically allocates some portion of braking force into energy regeneration. Clear? The system automatically allocates some braking or some braking portion to energy regeneration, and some to conventional braking system. Clear? Yes. So in this way, it tries to balance each and everything. Clear? Can you say the regenerative braking system is very efficient? Yes, the regenerative braking system as of now is very efficient. Why? Because all the energy that is lost in the vehicle technology can be achieved by using only 70%. Clear? By using only 70%. Clear? 70% of kinetic energy is used. 70% of kinetic energy used. Otherwise, this would lose in the braking system part. Clear? So, depending on how much an owner drives their vehicles, this can add up to hundreds of miles of extra electric range throughout the year. If the same braking force comes throughout the year, the efficiency of vehicle can be increased, and the distance that the person carries by using his car is actually increased. Clear? So that is why the 70% of kinetic energy is of course produced by this electric force only. Clear? That electric force that is being produced by regenerative braking system. Clear? Yes. So then what is the disadvantage of regenerative braking system? Everyone wants to have a generative and regenerative braking system. So the regenerative braking system disadvantages are, when you move at very slow speeds, it cannot create and it cannot have much impact on the electricity generation. Clear? It does not have electricity generation, so that's why they are actually taking the things. Clear? And the other one is, some regenerative braking system is how it changes the brake pedal feel and the modulation. Okay, actually you feel inability to go for smooth braking system. Why? Because the hard you go on, the longer one it gets actually. Clear? So better system of production actually lies in there. Clear? Of course there are some disadvantages. The disadvantages can be made as advantages with some other power sources also. Clear? Yes. So as regenerative system does not require any application part of any of the things, it is better to use the existing objects within the whole body to produce electricity is a great novel idea, right? Yes. So this is the article, and in our next class we shall meet with having a new one. Okay, bye.